Hey guys, welcome out to the channel. We're out here in our rabbit tree today, and we gotta start getting ready for some rabbit babies, or also known as little rabbit kits. And we have 3 does that are possibly going to be due tomorrow. They can have babies between 28 and 32 days. So we always like to put out a nest at like the 26th, 27th day, and just let them get ready, get them used to having their nested box. Hey, you're hogging the camera. So on a normal schedule, we usually do not keep any kind of nesting box flipped up where they can actually sit inside of it. We usually keep them on their side. That way they can still jump up on top of them and have somewhere to relax and hang out. But we're gonna go show you guys some little babies. So these are some of our most recent rabbit kits. That's the mama right there, the black one. And then these kits right here are about 4 weeks old right now. And as you can see that we have their nesting box turned up on its side so that the babies still have somewhere to kind of go under shelter and kind of snuggle in somewhere, but they aren't really nursing too much off of the mother right now anymore. And you can see that their water is also been lowered down so that they can get so they can start drinking out of it, and they are also able to get to the little hay bin over there, as well as eating the rabbit pellets. We have those automatic feeders, and they are actually eating out of that at about 3 to 4 weeks old. I think about 4 weeks old, whenever they start hopping out, they start eating on the pellets at their own will. So in this messy box right here, this is one of our most recent litters, and these kits are almost 2 weeks old, and the mother did a fantastic job making a nesting area for them. And I'm trying to search and find, oh, there's one right there. You can see it peeking out. Whoop. And they jump around a lot. If you guys haven't ever had rabbits, don't worry about that. They do like to jump around a lot and bounce all over. And this litter, usually they'll stay all in the back and stay together. This litter, for some reason, has kind of separated and seemed to be kind of all over. Like right here in the very front is a little baby. So we'll cover that one back up. Well, let's check it out so you guys can see it. Where'd it go? And as you can see, this one doesn't have its eyes open. They don't open their eyes until about 2 weeks old, and then they really start opening up their eyes and stuff. And we just come in here daily and just reach around and make sure that everybody's doing okay. So here's another one way here in the back corner. So like I said, this litter has really spread out. As you can see, there's one right there. And well, I think this is another white, nope, another brown one. So they're going right back to where they want to go. And we're missing one more white one. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, because the other white one is here in the front. So that's what we do. We just do like a little check on them. Count them, make sure that everybody's accounted for. There's 5 kits in this litter box, or in this little nesting box. And you guys can see she did a fantastic job pulling fur. So for you guys that are new to the rabbit stuff, you guys will not probably see the babies ever nursing on the mothers. They only nurse about once or twice a day, but really what you want to look for is make sure that their bellies of the babies are nice and tight, If they're really wrinkly, that means that they aren't eating, and you might have to tend to those a little bit more and make sure that they start eating. You can hold down the mother as well and help feed the babies. We've done that once before, and it's pretty tricky, but you can do that. All right, so what we want to do today is go ahead and get this doe right here and 2 others prepared just in case they do have a litter tonight or tomorrow. She's got a pretty good looking dewlap underneath her chin, and that's usually a telltale sign that she's gonna have some little babies. So as you can see, we have her box is over here, and like I said, we keep a box with them at all times so they can kind of sit in the bottom or jump up on top. And we'll walk through and just show you guys you know, what it looks like when it's tipped over, and what we put underneath. All right, so we got the nesting box tipped over, and as you can see, we use plastic lids from like little totes, and they're very easy to clean. We pressure wash them afterwards, and this actually fits the entire top. And what we're going to use for some of the bedding is just to get some straw and put a little bit of straw in there, and the rabbit actually pulls her own fur and actually makes the bedding material for the little kits. As you can see, I've got a bunch of hay right here, or straw. I tried using hay before, and they end up trying to eat it and really make a big mess. So what I do is just throw it in there like that and kind of spread it out, and I don't want to stack it up high, and kind of make a hole in the back so that she kind of knows where to be putting her fur whenever she does pull it. Look at that dewlap on that girl. You look so cute. Its little nose is going like crazy. Little chicken's growing crazy. And so this is a fully grown New Zealand rabbit. Alright, so now that we've shown you guys some little babies that were about 1.5 weeks old, about 4 weeks old, and then some moms, let's go ahead and show you guys some rabbits that are about 12 weeks old. So we've got these guys out here in what I call the grow out run, and it's about 3 foot by 6 feet in length. It's got 2 automatic feeders on it and a little hay feeder as well, with the automatic water right there and right there. And it's got a little house so that they can hide somewhere. And here it is being held, so you guys can kind of get a size comparison of what a 12-week-old rabbit looks like. So you guys saw that the littlest ones were about the size of a hand, and then the other ones were just running around in the cage. Saw the does, and now a little baby. It's about 4 weeks old. Alright guys, well that's all I got for the video today. Thanks for watching. Remember that if you guys are starting your rabbitry and you guys are just getting into raising kits, always to have the nesting box out just a couple days beforehand so that they can get used to it, and also move any kind of hay or anything into it and get prepared. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one.